Let me ask you a question. Have you ever burnt spaghetti? I don't think I have. But today, we're burning some spaghetti. Hi, welcome back, my fellow hackers. And if you're new here, hi, good to see ya. I'm glad you stopped by. Okay, so you might think my question at the beginning was kind of strange. It felt weird to ask you. But the reason I'm asking, because I saw this hack that you can burn spaghetti to use to get to the bottom of your candle. So if you're ready to see if this actually works, I am. I'm curious. Let's go. Alright. Hopefully all you need is just one piece of spaghetti. And what we're going to do is just put some fire to it. There it goes. Alright. It went out before I could do it. It went out before I could light it. Alright, let's try this again. Yes, it works. That's a pretty cool hack right there. I also was thinking, if it works for a candle, why not for a grill? And I'm sure there's other scenarios that this would come in handy. If you have any ideas on what else you can use this for, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, please give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. Any hacks you would like to see me do, just leave me a comment. So with that, I thank you. Till next time.